I decided to sneak out for a short ride close to home. Nothing major, just enough to feel the road again. Living near Port Phillip Bay means the coastline is always an easy escape, and any rider around Melbourne knows how good that stretch can be. I rolled through Frankston, past the pier entrance where so many group rides kick off, but I prefer solo rides. My plan was to head to Half Moon Bay in Mount Eliza, not the spot in Blackrock. That's a whole different place and I will cover it in another video. Being a full-time parent and working full-time, finding time to ride is rare. And I don't know if other riders feel this, but sometimes there's that guilty moment when you leave the family behind for a ride. It feels selfish, but the truth is, the ride resets you, wipes the slate clean, so to speak. Half Moon Bay was closed for works. Did a quick U-turn. Came across a pair of ducks. Slowed down so I didn't split the pair. Little moments like this count and are important to me. Awareness, respect, and being part of the world instead of rushing through it. Sunnyside beach in Mount Eliza became my next stop. I hadn't been there in a while, and the view as you roll in is unreal. The kind of view that makes you stop the bike and just soak it all in. That's enough for today. Heading home, slate wiped clean. Keep the shiny side up, riders. Hope you enjoy the clip.